Hi Ami, how are you anak? I'm so sorry you did not win the game. Always remember, losing is a part of a learning process, while losses is a part of the game. Thank God you're well and able to play the game with your teammates. Always remember, we love you so much and we are proud of you. And to all your coaches and all the parents, thank you so much and mabuhay po kayo. God bless us all. Bye.
Hi, JD. I miss you so much. Always remember that Dad and I are incredibly proud of you. We're always here to support you no matter what. Even though I didn't get to see you pitch, I know you'll come back even stronger next year. I believe in you, just like you once said. I am an ordinary girl who does things in extraordinary ways. I love you, Dweeby Jade. See you on Thursday.
Hi Ami. Congrats to you and to your team. Kahit na natalo, win or lose, kayo pa rin ang panalo sa amin. Congrats dahil na-experience nyo ang makipag-compete sa ibang lahi. Ganun pa man, lahat ng bagay, hindi lahat lagi panalo at hindi naman lagi talo. So, ang importante yung experience at ang importante ay yung pagtanggap kung ano yung naging resulta ng laro nyo. So, ingat kayo lahat dyan and God bless.
Hi, Ami. All I can say is I'm incredibly proud of you and your team with all the effort and determination that you guys showed through this game. I know while it's tough to lose, this experience will make your team better. You can learn from this and come back even stronger. I am proud of you and your team, win or lose. Love you. Bye-bye.
Hello, Ami. Losing is okay. Losing is part of the journey. The important thing is you learn from your experience.
Hi, Ami! Congratulations for competing and representing our school internationally. We are very proud of you. God bless you. Bye!
Congratulations, Jamila Eunice, for being MVP. Proud of you and you Lasal, Philippines. Ingat kayo sa pag-uwi. We love you!
Congrats ate, I love you.
Hello po, good evening sa lahat. Hello girls, congratulations. Biglag mo na kay Tita Lola. Kamusta na kayo dyan? Grabe, ang galing-galing niyo. Proud na proud ako sa inyo. Lalo pag nape-play zero niyo kalaban, na-imagine niyo na ba paano sumigaw si Tita Lola? Tatandaan niyo, proud na proud ako sa inyo. Lagi ako nakasuporta para sa inyo lahat. And ingat lagi sa game. At sa mga gala and lakad niyo. Then, to my best hitter, Nika, my best catcher, proud na proud si Mami sa'yo. Ang galing-galing mo, anak. I love you so much. Kung saan ka man dalhin ng iyong paglalaro, nandito lagi si Mami para sa'yo. God bless and ingat talaga. Enjoy mo sa pag-stay mo dyan sa LA and San Diego. And to all coaches, Coach Kelly, Coach Pambol, thank you. Sa mga parents na nandyan, sa mga poster parent na nagpamilya ng mga bata. For the meantime, maraming salamat sa inyo. And to the casting of Sir Ryan, maraming pong salamat. Ingat kayo. God bless and enjoy. Thank you.
Hello, Ja. Kamusta ka na dyan, Ja? Congratulations sa'yo and sa buong team mo. Alam mo, Ja, kahit hindi namin sinasabi, mahal na mahal ka namin. And proud na proud kami sa'yo. Nandito na kami ng buong pamilya para supportahan ka. And sa lahat ng achievements na nare-receive mo ngayon, deserve mo yon dahil pinaghirapan mo yon. Umuwi ka na, miss ka na ni Allison, mas mahal na mahal ka namin, and mag-iingat ka palagi dyan. Uwi ka na. And sa coach and management ng Lasal, maraming salamat po sa pag-guide sa mga players. Maraming salamat. Thank you po.
Hi, Carms! I miss you. Miss ka na ni Shadi. Hindi nalungkot si Shadi. Tuwan-tuwa din siya na naandyan ka. Anak, ang message ko sa'yo, masayang-masaya ako para sa'yo. Sa lahat ng nararating mo ngayon, na-achieve mo, lahat ng naiiyak si Mami, lahat ng natamasa mo ngayon, yung mga tinanim mo na lagi ko sinasabi sa'yo, na pag nagtanim ka, may magiging bunga. Ayan na yun, anak. Pagpatuloy mo lang ang pagiging masipag mo, mabuting anak, malakas ang loob, matapang, na harapin lahat ng gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo. Bilib na bilib ako sa iyo, anak. Napakagaling mo. At napakabuting bata. Mabait, malambing. Nasa iyo na lahat, anak. Kaya masaya-masaya si Mami. Proud na proud kami ni na Kuya, lalo-lalo na si Daddy. Iba ka, anak. At sa buong team, maraming salamat kay Coach sa nag-guide sa inyo. Thank you. At sa mga parents na naandyan, nakasama mo, maraming salamat sa pag-aalaga kay Carms na nagkasakit siya. Maraming salamat. Good luck sa inyo at mag-enjoy kayo. I miss you, Carms. I miss you, anak. Miss ka na namin ni Shadi. Hintayin namin ang pag-uwi mo. Masaya-masaya si Mami. Mahal na mahal kita, anak. Ikaw palagi ang aming baby. I love you.
Hi, Ate Sammy. We miss you here. Ulitin ko lang yung lagi namin sinasabi sa ni Daddy na we love you and we're always here to support you. Alam mo yan, lagi mong tatandaan, nandito lang kami para sa'yo and mga kapatid mo. We're proud of you. I'm so proud of you of what you've become and as a person and as a player. Alam ko hindi madali yung pag-manage ng time between trainings and your studies, but you both did well on both aspects. So talagang nakaka-proud doon pa lang. And thank you kila Coach Kelly and Coach Bumble sa pag-take care sa kanila, sa inyo dyan sa US, and at the same time yung maging part ng journey nila ni Sam as a player. And alam kong marami rin naman silang life skills na natutunan sa inyo. And with that, we're so grateful for that. Yun lang, ayoko na pabain kasi imbes na ikaw mo paiyak, ako maiiyak. I love you.
Take care of yourself.
Ayan. Namimiss ka na niya. Go. Say hello to ate.
Hi.
Oh, what's your message for ate?
I love you.
What else?
I love you, ate. Take care of yourself.
Bye-bye. See you.
Hello, Sammy. Your #1 fan here. Well, I hope you're having fun today. I know this is your last night, so I hope those days are well spent, and I hope you learned a lot of things on this journey. There's a lot of firsts on this tour, so it's your first time to go abroad by yourself, without a family, just by yourself and with your team. It's your first time to be in the US, so happy for that. And yeah, first tournament outside of the country. and World Series pa. So I know that there will be a lot of learning, and I hope you learned a lot. Even, you know, just being there, feeling the ambience, feeling the crowd on an international stage. I hope you learned something and probably overcome your fears. So I think that's the best learning that you can get from there. And yeah, thank you to Coach Kelly and Coach Bumble for, you know, making this opportunity happen. Especially to Coach Kelly, who really coached the team quite very well this year. So more power, and hopefully we can do it next year again. And syempre kay Coach Bumble, you know, being our assistant coach, and you know, he's been with the kids like ever since, training them, coaching them, and yun, to the whole team, we're really proud. I believe all the parents are really proud, you know, just setting, especially on the second game, like you were on fire, win or lose, we're with you. So kahit naman anong mangyari, we're always with you, we're always cheering on the side. So yung mga parents na naiwan din sa Philippines, we're really watching you guys. So yun, Sammy, make the most out of it, and please go home. I know you like to stay there, but yeah. And of course, to Bro Reg, thank you for housing the team, and to Tony and mga kababayan, salamat. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Magti-thank you muna ako kay Coach Kelly and Coach Bumble, and to the rest of the parents na nandyan na biglang dumami ang anak sa US. Thank you for taking good care of the girls. Thank you for taking good care of Jess. Hi Peach, how are you? Congratulations to all of you. You all did great. And I know you're a bit sad dahil malapit ka nang graduate, malapit ka na sa finish line. I know how much you love your team. I know how much you're gonna miss them. But worry no more. Just enjoy the rest of your time with them. Just enjoy the moments with your team. And just enjoy the night. Have a safe flight going back home. See you soon. Love you.
Hi, state your daughter's name.
Post. Eto na. Gabi. Ayoko na. Ayoko na eh. Gabi, congratulations sa inyo.
Congrats.
Gabi, proud na proud kami sa'yo. Gabi, we love you very much. Ba't ako nung nagsasalita? Hi, Gabi.
Hi, Gabi. We love you very much.
And we're so proud of you.
Alam namin na you're doing your best.
Always enjoy and keep doing what makes you happy.
Win or lose, both good lessons yan to prepare you. Okay? We love you.
Till our next World Series. Go, go, go!
Hi. Miming good play. Nice. I'm enjoy. Ay, muyo. Eh? Mada, nani o?
Hi, anak. Thank you kay Lord, nakarating ka dito sa Amerika, sa helmet, at narating mo yung series, World Series. Although hindi ka namin makasama lagi dahil nandyan ka sa team mo, alam kong mas masaya ka, pero proud pa rin kami sa'yo, anak. Proud kami kasi naging mabuti kang anak para sa amin, talinong bata, mabait, mapagmahal. Kaya, ganun, we love you. Mahal na mahal ka namin, nak. We love you. Mag-ingat ka sa
love
pag-uwi.
you, Mimi. Bye-bye.
Andito din pala yung ninang. At, hi, Romy. I'm glad and very happy to see you and Carmela, although I haven't seen all the team yet. But actually, I am so proud of you. You tried your very best, and hopefully we can go somewhere else together. I wish you can go to Dodger Stadium to really like check it out, and because that's one of the iconic places. I love you, I love you, I love you. Bye.
Hi, Chuch. Hi, Isabel. So I want to take this moment to tell you how proud I am of you. I know I say it every day, and I know you know that I mean it, diba? This is a chance for me to let everyone else know just how amazing you are. You are one amazing person. You strive to be better every day, diba? You deeply care about others. Hindi lang ikaw yung iniisip mo. That makes me very, very proud. You show up on days na it's hard. You get frustrated, but you use that frustration as a fuel to improve yourself. Diba? Daming chances na yan. You're my girl, sweetheart. And no matter how grown you are, you'll always be my baby. Always, always be my baby. You surprise us in the most beautiful ways. Diba? Ang wins natin in life, there are no small and big wins. Lahat sa atin, pag win-win talaga. And it's something that makes it really, really beautiful. Is when you go look back, alam mong pinaghirapan mo siya. Your wins are not all easy wins, diba? With everything that I said earlier, you're committed to the team, you fuel yourself to improve every day. Yun, ito na yun, anak. Ito na. Watching you play locally, internationally, diba? It's such a proud moment. And not everyone gets a chance to represent the Philippines dito sa international stage na to. Tayo nga, hindi natin alam na aabot tayo dyan. Pero with the team's hard work, with your hard work, with your passion, andyan kayo ngayon. So everyone deserves a big hug and a pat on the back. Take this entire experience as a warm-up for even greater things to come. Ate, we love you so much and we'll always be here to support you, to support your dreams. Diba? It's, we are very, very excited for what's ahead of you this softball season. No matter what it is, we will be behind you all the way because we believe in you and we love you. To Coach Kelly and Coach Bambol, maraming salamat po sa mga aking co-parents. Salamat po. To our kababayans, thank you po for hosting our children. We are forever grateful. To Ryan, thank you for being Ate's #1 fan and supporter. Ate, you have a whole village behind you. And we love you very much. We will be with you all the way. I love you, anak. I'll see you when you get back to Manila. Bye-bye.
Yo! Thank you guys for coming here dito sa US. Sana bumalik kayo dito next year. Tapos sana naman panalo kayo sa West Series? I don't know.
West Hills.
West Hills? Yeah. Sana panalo kayo dito sa West Hills. Thank you for making my summer break better, because not gonna lie, I was getting bored. I guess see you next year. Love you, Coach.
Hey, Ami. I know you and your team didn't win, and I'm really sorry, but either way, win or lose, I know as long as you show your passion, you're going there for it already. Like, I already know that you're giving it your all, and that's what matters. Win or lose, it doesn't matter. So just keep on going for it. And good luck to the team. Like, I know you guys all work so hard, but keep on going for it.
Hey, congrats, Atami. Congrats for the team for making it all the way to playing with California. Even though y'all lost, it was a good game. And thank you, Coach, for helping the players, helping my sister improve on their skills, and being able to learn this experience.
Yeah. Good luck on the way.
Isabel, everyone in the team, thank you so much. You made us really proud of everything that you've done. Personally, this is like a real life Mighty Ducks for me. Nag-umpisa tayo. No one was expecting for you guys to win. Nanalo kayo, you became champions, and you even defeated yung community-based team natin na selection. And coming here, seeing you guys play against bigger, faster opponents made us really proud. Next year, babawi tayo. We will be more prepared. Keep it up. Train more. Listen to your coaches. And more of the puso. Thank you again for giving us this wonderful opportunity, wonderful experience.
Hi girls, first of all, congratulations for making it to the World Series. I got 3 words for you. Alam niyo na naman ito. Focus, refocus, tsaka flow. These 3 are not only applicable in softball, these are also applicable in real life situation. Kung may problema, alam niyo na yung gagawin niyo. Focus, refocus. Good job, girls.
First, gusto ko munang magpasalamat sa lahat ng parents, lahat ng gumawa ng paraan para mabuo yung budget natin para makalakad sa World Series. Then, para sa mga kaibigan natin sa US, at sa mga kamag-anak ng ibang players natin, ng mga tumulong sa sponsorship natin. And pangalawa sa mga players. So, yan, nakita na natin yung level. So lahat ng pinag-aralan natin sa Pilipinas na medyo hindi natin binigyan ng impact. So ngayon nakita na natin yung level, kailangan gawin na natin yan pagbalik natin. Para pagbalik natin, mas malakas yung Pilipinas na team natin, yung Diamond Hitters. And yun lang, sa graduates, so thank you sa pagstay sa buong team. And sana yung mga good memories nyo, baunin ng mga sa susunod pang maglalaro. Yun lang. Laban ulit tayo next year.